Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a call function in PySpark. It will be used to call a SQL function using its name and input columns. So often we get to this scenario where we need to call some SQL function and apply on that different columns or variable, and that's where we are going to use the call function. So let's take a look here. We have this sample data, and I have name column here, then I have salary, and here I'm creating a data frame called df by using spark.create data frame. I provided the sample data, then I provided a list of the columns for that sample data. Now once our data frame will be created, we can execute this code and we'll be able to take a look on our data frame output. So you can see that I have Amir and salary is in this format where you have decimal here, then you have some numbers after that. Now in case first of all, if we would like to apply this call function and want to convert our names to the uppercases, so we can do that as well. So very simple. Here apply built-in SQL function using a call function, that's and convert name to the uppercase. So that's what we are going to demo here. So df equal to df dot with column. So we are adding a new column to the data frame, and we call this data new column called name underscore upper. Here we are using call function, and then the SQL function for that is upper. We are using this function upper, and then we are using on the column called name. So this function upper will be applied on this column, and then finally we are selecting the columns, and we are selecting name column, and also the newly created column name underscore upper will be used here as well, and we will be able to take a look. And now you can see that we have name, that's original, and this was first A was capital, B was capital, and C was capital, but we use upper and right here, and these all the names are converted to the uppercases. So this is how you will be using a call function, and then call the function that you would like to call, and then provide a column on which you would like to apply that function. Let's take a look on another definition or other example here. Use a format underscore number via call function round to one decimal. So here data frame is equal to df dot with column, adding a new column called the salary formatted, and we are using call function to call a function called format underscore number, and on which column we would like to apply, on this salary column, and then we are formatting for one decimal, and here we once that is applied, this part is gonna create our formatted salary formatted column. And now I'm selecting df dot select actual salary, then we are selecting the salary formatted column, and then using show to show you the results. So let's execute that one and see the outcome. So here is our salary that is coming from our sample data frame, and here is our salary formatted that we used the format number function, and we call this function by using a call function. Now if I would like to just maybe do two decimals, right now it's a one decimal, see right there, and if I would like to have two decimal, I can simply go ahead and execute, and now it will be formatted as two decimal points. See right there. Now let's take a look how we can dynamically apply a function using a variable. So I can save the function name in this variable, so it's a dynamic function, and I save this length. Length is a function that we will be using here. So data frame equal to df with column, and we create new column called the name length. Then we are using call function to call a function, and instead of providing the name of a function here, such as we did upper or format number, here I am using this variable, and the value in the variable is called length. So we are applying a length function actually, but we have saved this into the variable, and here I would like to apply that function on the column name column. And now once that's done, new column will be created, name length, and we are going to select that. So df dot select, selecting the actual name, then select the newly created column called the name length, and then we use the show to see the results for that one. You can see right there, this is our original column, and this is a name length column that's given the length of this value. So this is 5 characters, 3 characters, and 7 characters. So you can use the function directly inside here after you use the call function, or you can save into some variable and then use that variable right there, and then that will call this function whatever is saved in the variable. So this is pretty handy, in cases where you need to call those functions. You can always use call function and provide that function inside, and then also provide the parameters for that function, and with, as we have done right here in the format number, that accept the actual column, and then also accept for how many decimals you would like to format, that you can provide and use it here. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.